Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to do a few simple and easy flowy hijab styles that you can style with chiffon shawl. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so the first style is the most requested one, which is the daily style that I always pakai. So the first step is to pakai gini. So you just letak kat sini atas, then you play around with the top part. You can just like kasih straight macam gini, like the top, or like you nak kasih flowy. And then you just campak kat tepi je, macam gini. Tada! So you can play around with like this one, this side. You nak panjangkan also can. Okay. Then for me, I always pakai 3 pins, straight pins. So the one kat atas sini. Okay, sama. Then one on each side, so it won't move. Okay, tada! Then you can just do whatever you want with it, like you know, add more pins or what. So if you don't feel comfortable, like takut terjatuh kan, then you can just put one pin here. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so alternatively, if you want to find an easier one, like without the flowy punya side, you can just buat ni, just like 1 or 2 steps. Okay, so just betulkan the top part. Okay, macam gini. You just tarik this side all the way to this side. And tarik all the way. Tada! So this is how it looks like. So if you pakai like baju longgar-longgar ke macam sweater atau hoodie, you can just pakai with this style. So for this one, you need to separate like both into equal lengths. Okay. So the trick is to tarik each side to the other side. Okay, macam gini. Same goes to the other side. So the good thing about this style, you can actually adjust panjangness. Okay. The same thing, you can choose where to pin, kat sini, atas sini. So currently I'm just using 1 pin here. Tada! Okay, so for this one, you can actually pin kat belakang. Safety pin kat sini. Okay, so this is the second part. It's the same thing, equal sides. And then you just tarik all the way macam gini. Again, you can actually adjust this one, this side. Okay, so for this one is a tie one. So you can tie one, the tie punya like ikat. So you just ikat. Hold on. Okay, I love this style to work. Okay, so for this style I'm using 2 pins. Okay, so this is how it looks like from the you can see it. So yeah, just fine. Okay, moving on. So this one is, I don't know how to explain, but yeah. Okay, so for this one, it's 1 short and 1 long side. Once you're done, you just adjust like along the face shape kat sini. Then you just fold and pin kat your inner. Okay. Yep. Okay. So macam gini, and then you adjust this part. So like the panjang kat sini nak labuhkan. Okay. Then you can actually pin kat bawah sini. So once you are done, you bring this side over and just buat macam gini. And you are done. You can pakai this style to school or work or dating also. Okay. Okay, my best. Okay, so the second part of this style is that, okay, you know, from this step. Okay, so instead of labuhkan, you just bawa ke belakang. Once you are done, just adjust again, and then okay, like this. You just adjust. tak princess lah. Okay. Okay, so actually you can do this side or either, you know, the normal one macam gini. Yeah. Okay. Then you can just put safety pin kat belakang. Tada! Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so that's all for now, I guess, because I can't remember the styles that I've shared and the ones that I have not. So just stay tuned for more, and I will definitely share more styles like with earrings and such. A lot of you guys have been asking me where I usually buy my hijab from and also the pins. So for my hijab, I always pakai the chiffon one, and I beli from Gilang, so you can get it. I mean the quality is quite good and it's cheap. Yeah, as long as it's long and I can use it, then it's fine. And yes, this one, oh my god, I don't know how to focus it. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, so these are all straight pins and you guys can get it from Gilang or JB. Oh yes, I also beli from JB. So yeah, please subscribe, comment and like the video. You guys can, you know, just follow me on Instagram also and TikTok. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye.